Okay, I'm Charles McMahon, and on behalf of Expert Village, we're going to continue to split the one half of this log and get it down to pieces that are good to burn in the fireplace. Now, when you're burning wood in your fireplace, you want to have a lot of surface for each piece of wood, because the surface is where the fire catches. So you don't want to put in great huge logs because they won't burn very well. So we need to make a lot of surface. Now you see I'm straddling this thing back. I'm trying to stay away from this whole mechanism. And I'm holding this log by the side, and I'm going to split it first right down the middle. So I'm going to start coming up at the high speed and then go to the low speed. And you see how easily this splits the log. And you don't have to go all the way through, because once you get this, you can pop it apart pretty well. Now we have a piece here that you could stop here, but if you want the thing to burn better, you can split it again. So these pieces are in pretty good shape. And we'll do the other one. So those pieces are ready to stack, and you can see they're small enough, got plenty of surface here, so these should burn pretty well in your fireplace.